Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus active noise cancellation earbuds. So we will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life, smartphone application and all of its pros and cons. So here we go. So first of all, let's just start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus, you will find the earbuds inside the charging case, some ear tapes, few stickers of the SoundPeats brand mascot, some quick start guide, user manuals and a USB Type-C cable. Now talking about the design and build quality, the Capsule3 Pro Plus looks very beautiful and premium because of its matte finished body and bronze gold color accent. Each earbud weighs just 5 grams, so they are pretty lightweight, and the ear tips are quite comfortable as well, so you can use Capsule3 Pro Plus for hours without facing any issue. Beneath the SoundPeats logo there is touch sensor. The earbuds are IPX4 certified for water resistance, and overall they look quite beautiful, premium and stylish. The charging case comes with the same bronze gold color accent that you will find on the earbuds. The matte finished body looks premium, beautiful, and the charging case weighs just 38 grams. And considering that it comes with 500 mAh battery, the case is still pretty lightweight. The magnet inside the charging case are quite strong, and as you can see, even if I am shaking the case violently, the earbuds are not falling out of it. The charging case comes just with USB Type-C port. There is no wireless charging capability. Talking about the audio quality, the Capsule3 Pro Plus comes with high-res audio certification, support for LDAC codec, and it is XMEMS speakers. Because of that, the audio quality of Capsule3 Pro Plus is quite nice and it is very well balanced. The amount of bass, mids and treble you get is equally emphasized. So if you are a bass head, you might not like the audio output of the Capsule3 Pro Plus, but of course you can make various adjustments in the equalizer to make the audio output according to your preference. So it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it on Capsule3 Pro Plus for sure. The only thing is you will have to tweak it according to your preference to get the best audio output. The battery life of Capsule3 Pro Plus is quite impressive. With active noise cancellation turned on, I usually get up to 5 hours of battery life in one charging, and you can charge the earbuds 6 times more using the case provided, so you can easily get more than 35 hours of battery life on Capsule3 Pro Plus. And once the battery goes down, you can charge it using the USB Type-C port, and it takes around 1.5 hours to charge the earbuds and the case fully. Talking about the smartphone application, in the Peats audio application you can check the battery status of both left and right earbuds. You can switch between the noise cancellation, the regular mode and the transparency mode right from the application as well, but it does not come with multiple levels of noise cancelling. It comes with dual device connection as well, but once you turn on, the LDAC will not work. You can even disable the touch sensor on your SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus from the smartphone app, and you can turn on the game mode to reduce the latency to get even better performance when you are playing games or watching movies using the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus. When it comes to touch command, you can perform 4 different kinds of touch command on each left and right earbuds, and SoundPeats provide plenty of options to select for the touch commands, so you can select overall 8 different kinds of commands to perform on Capsule3 Pro Plus, and they work perfectly every single time. The Capsule3 Pro Plus comes with adaptive equalizer option, or you can go with some of the presets provided in the smartphone app, and if you are not happy with them, you can even create your own equalizer under the My Equalizer section. You can update the software of your Capsule3 Pro Plus from the smartphone app, and you can even select the prompt tone language, whether you would like to go with the English, Chinese, German or Japanese when you use the Capsule3 Pro Plus. When it comes to noise cancellation, the performance of Capsule3 Pro Plus is quite nice, as it can reduce up to 45 dB of ambient sound, and in my personal usage the performance was quite nice. Few things we are missing here is that the Capsule3 Pro Plus does not come with wireless charging capability, and it does not come with the sensor for autoplay pause the music. Overall, the Capsule3 Pro Plus is a very nice active noise cancellation earbuds. The audio quality is quite nice, as it comes with LDAC high-res audio certification along with XMEMS technology. The battery performance is impressive. The smartphone application is good enough. It comes with plenty of touch command options, and the design and build quality is beautiful beautiful and premium. If you are interested in buying the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, or you can click the link appearing on the screen. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.